They got me.
They weren't joking. They were probably serious.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone?
Last week on Walde Sailing, we had a short sail from Hot Springs Cove to Tofino, where we explored the town,
Are you listening? Is it too late?
made some new friends, and tried our best not to embarrass ourselves while we attempted to surf.
Forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all?
We were up early so we could leave Tofino on high water slack. Once on the ocean, we had a light but steady breeze, and with not much swell, we were able to relax and sail the whole way to our next anchorage near Ucluelete.
We are both feeling, I think, quite tired today still from surfing. So we're just gonna hang out on the boat. It's a little bit chilly, so we figured why be cold when we have a furnace? So we started the fire. Lyndon's making some popcorn. We're gonna watch a movie. Probably call it an early night before we take off tomorrow. It smells so good.
Suspect has since been apprehended.
You guys have to see the sunset. Well, it's not even the sunset anymore. Wow.
There's no one like you, my little girl.
The next morning, the clouds rolled in and the rain started. With no wind, we put up the tarp, fired up the engine, and started on our way through the broken islands to Bamfield.
Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you
I'm done with this rain. These are the broken islands, the beautiful broken islands that are a real cool place to explore apparently, but we're gonna have to skip right through them.
When it feels like your soul is breaking, I will lift my hands to heaven and pray. It's your life. Looks are meant to be picked up and new ideas can live.
So we just dropped anchor and it's pouring rain. It's pouring. It's just soaking out here. But pulling into Bamfield, it's so adorable, so cute. So many cool houses along the water. We just wish it was nice out so we could go rip around, but we're gonna sit here and wait till the rain lets up before we do that. It's so cute!
I came in like a wrecking ball.
There they go.
All I wanted was to break you off. All you ever did was wreck me.
Wait for it.
You wrecked me.
My dear friend, where have you been?
We started off our morning searching for some internet so we could check weather and get a little work done.
Someone there, are you listening?
Yeah, we can walk that.
Too late.
Go do it.
It's quite the chirp.
It's beautiful.
It reminds me of that really long name in like Iceland, like the world's longest name. You know?
No.
We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts.
We spent most of the morning exploring some beautiful beaches. Even though it wasn't nearly as warm as we wanted it to be, we still had a great time climbing over the rocks and looking for any hidden treasures.
My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in.
Bamfield is a really cool little town, and we spent the rest of the day walking along the water, stopping in many of the shops, and just enjoying the beauty of nature that surrounds the town.
Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall.
So it has just gotten nicer and nicer out today. It's about 7 o'clock. The sun is shining. Birds are chirping. Lyndon's reading. The cinnamon buns are almost done. I should be working on an episode, but instead I bake. This happens way too often. It's sunny out today. It's not super warm, but it's sunny, so I think we'll take the tarp off. We shouldn't have any rain today. We're gonna take off pretty quick. We've got a ton of stuff to put away. It's crazy how quickly the boat just gets torn apart and then it just takes so long to put it back together. But put the boat back together and take off. I'm finishing up my coffee. Lyndon's writing in the logbook. Let's get this sail on.
Well, we spent probably 2.5 hours beating into the wind and the swell, sailing, trying to get out of the little inlet as we left Bamfield. Now we're out on the open ocean. The wind's basically, it's quite low, below 10 knots.
And there's a gale force warning coming, so.
Well, they were forecasting to 10 to 20 knots today, and then building to 20 to 30 in the afternoon, which it's the afternoon, and we're getting under 10.
Woo! That is a big wave.
Tiff does this thing where when it's really rough out, she likes to do things, and she doesn't just sit down. And then consequently she gets tossed around and upset. Today was no different. She fell off the stairs, which was mildly funny but concerning as well.
Dumped the cheese everywhere. Did you actually almost laugh when I fell and was hanging on?
Well, you always, it's like, sit down.
I was making lunch!
I know, and it's like as soon as we get into rough water, I need lunch.
I'm just asking if you thought it was funny when I was hanging on.
Well, it was funny, yes. But I wasn't happy that you could have possibly gotten hurt.
I could have. I couldn't pull myself up.
So we're gonna work on
That's why I'm sitting here.
biceps, or
Well, it's because I had my arms full. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna work on. I'm working on everything. Gotta work on my anger issues. Supper time.
land over there.
Oh yeah. Let me see.
US of A.
Yeah, we were between the States and Canada. We're heading into the Fuca Strait. Fuca Strait. So we're saying goodbye to the open ocean, which is kind of weird. Very strange. We dropped anchor out in the middle of Port San Juan. This is called Thrasher Cove, I think. It's gonna be a rough night. That's the Walde Fuca. There's a bunch of campers over here. They're all have fires going, which smell so good. Over there is the West Coast Trail, so I bet you all those people are hiking it, which is crazy and awesome. Good for them. Yeah, so in this little anchorage, it's subject to swell, which there isn't a lot, but this little bit really throws you around. It's bringing me back to Kwathiaski. Maybe we'll check what the weather says it's going to be tonight, and then
what?
I don't know. At least be prepared.
Well, they said gale force winds, and we never saw anything over 10, so.
That wasn't for this area.
Yeah, it was.
No, gale force is for the strait, but.
Yeah, but then they downgraded it to a strong wind warning. But still, we never saw anything over 10.
Yeah.
Well, we just had probably one of our worst nights on anchor ever. And we're just in Port San Juan, and the swell still comes in here. And it was just like rolling all night long. So brutal. And so we're really tired, but we're gonna make another long stretch today. Again, they're calling for gale force winds. We'll see if we're even able to sail. We have turned off the engine finally, and we're actually going pretty good.
15 knots of apparent wind.
Yeah. Well, yeah, about 15 knots. And it's definitely picking up. But yeah, we're doing a little wing on wing, so it's a little rolly, but we're cruising to our destination, and we're actually sailing.
Yes, really nice. Our wind's picking up. We got about, it's probably blowing 25 plus knots right now. So we're just gonna take a reef, partially for being able to control the boat a little bit easier. We're more so experimenting, and it's so far it seems like it's easier to control, so that's nice. Surf. We are flying today.
So we got one reef in, wing on wing. It's great.
So good. It's been our best sailing day, I think, in the last 2 months, like in this whole trip.
But we're cruising along way faster than we could ever motor. So it's just like a win, win, win.
Win, win, win. So good. What am I gonna bake in celebration tonight?
If it was sunny out, like shorts weather, that would be amazing.
Yeah. But we have to look positive.
Yeah, this is pretty good. It's not always bikinis and swimsuits, it's mostly sweaters.
And these horrible, and these life jackets, and this hat. We apologize for...
I apologize for nothing.
Rainbow, a rainbow in the sky above my head. We're going so fast. Whoa, nice! That was crazy.
Well, note to self, always go out in the gale warnings if you want to sail.
So we set the anchor. It's set really hard, so we're hoping we're not caught up on something. Anyway, that was a really great sail day. Hey?
Yeah, that was great.
Gale warning is still in effect until midnight, but it's so much nicer than swell.
Yeah.
Being in high wind, I'd take that over being in that swell that we were in last night. That was just like a constant throwing you around. So anyway, we should start that barbecue, cook some burgers.
It's only 4:45.
Oh. Well, by the time we get it heated up, we should go to the beach too there. That looks nice. So, the stupid swell. I'm so over. The wind blew till probably midnight, which is what they forecasted, and then as soon as the wind stopped, it was very swelly in here. So, not nearly as bad as Thrasher Cove, but it was pretty bad. So, we were planning on staying another day, but our weather window is actually pretty good for leaving today, so we're gonna take off right away. I'm making some tea before we go because I missed having that yesterday in the last 3 days. So, it might rain today, which is a bit of a stinker, but yes, I'm wearing this hat again. Today we're gonna complete our full circle, right?
Yeah, in a couple hours actually
We're not gonna be back at the marina, but we'll be in
Victoria.
We'll be in Victoria, so we're gonna complete our
We've been
circle.
around the entire island.
That's crazy. Too hard all the time. But anyways, that's very exciting, and I feel like I'm feeling very proud to say what we accomplished. No. I'm not gonna cry.
So those guys just told us that they are conducting some live ammunition tests around here, which it does say on the charts. And we have to stay away from the island, so that's pretty awesome. Hopefully we'll hear some booms.
Right now we are cruising through we just got 4.2 knot current. We just hit 10 knots for a second there.
So we're sailing. Again today there's gale force warnings and strong wind warnings, but
in this area.
As we get more and more comfortable, it's not really a fear anymore.
Yeah.
But yesterday we had a good sail, we had to reef, so hopefully today we'll learn some more and we'll just have a good sail. We're cruising along.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's great. Anyway, I'm feeling good. I'm excited. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'll stop talking.
You can go ahead.
I'm excited to be not in the swell anymore.
Oh, they got me.
They weren't joking. They were probably seriously like, it's about to go off.
Oh, yeah.
Get your boat out of here.
Well, I'm sure there was no danger. That was awesome though. Any explosion is a good explosion, hey?
That, like,
Isn't that the
poof.
saying?
Sure, yeah. So we are passing Victoria right now. Wait, I'm fixing this. I didn't like it in that one. Is it stupid? Oh. So we are passing Victoria right there, which means we are completing our circumnavigation officially. And we are sailing through it. Anyways, we're very excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite difficult to keep this going.
Huh,
Maybe
no.
there's a rush looking for special missiles.
Special what?
Missiles.
Missiles. We are going consistently over 7.5 knots, which is really awesome. So we're not complaining. Well, I'm not complaining. He might be complaining a little bit. but-
Complaining.
So we just dropped anchor outside Sydney Spit. We didn't grab a mooring ball because it's summer season now, so you have to pay for them, which is perfectly fine. I think it's only $14 a night, but we don't want to pay that, so whoop. Not again. I'm just trying to boil noodles. I'm making dinner. It's pretty well done, so we're very hungry. It's like 7 o'clock. I think it's closer to 7:30, so we're pretty hungry. It's very humid in here now. Shoot. And I gotta dump these noodles because they're way overcooked.
I should open up some windows, get some fresh air before it starts raining.
It's gonna rain? It kinda looks like it might rain. Dancing. Get it, Lyndon. Get it. We're very excited. It's been a great day. We had a great sail today.
Yes.
We had big wind, which was good because it means that we know being in wind, which I'm pretty sure was gusting up to 30. It means that we can be in it and not die, so win. And we completed our circumnavigation, and that's so exciting. So, and we're gonna hopefully have a better sleep tonight, but I mean, it's still pretty choppy out here, so we'll see, but whatever. It's been a great day. We're super happy, very excited. I'm really excited to go to the beach tomorrow. I'm hoping it's nice weather, but I'm just excited to walk on the beach and go onto land. They're all here probably for Canada Day. So,
Just like us. Canada Day. Whoop.
not quite, but we're here for Canada Day celebration, which is happening on the 30th. So a little early, but we're meeting our buds here tomorrow, Esperanza, and
Yeah, to convince Salty Bottoms to come.
I know. Did you text them?
I haven't. My hands are too cold.
Okay. We'll hopefully meet a couple friends here and hang out, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited.
And we don't have to go anywhere tomorrow. Oh,
I know.
yeah. We made it
shower
on
tonight.
schedule.
I want to go to the beach.
I want to put the hammock up.
Yeah, we could put the hammock up in not nice weather, but that would be a bummer. Okay, come on. I'm so hungry. Let's go eat. I guess we should put the cover on
Okay,
first.
grab me the cover. I'm almost done.
It might rain. Okay, cover, eat. Ooh, steamed. That is spaghetti, which I haven't made legit spaghetti in a long time, so I'm very excited for it.
We made it. Yeah. Yeah. We accomplished something.
Okay, we're weird.
It was a great day.
It was a great day.
Great day.
We had so much fun. The fire's going. You got more sun on your face.
One thing that's nice is, I mean, especially with the lag problem that's been stressing me out this whole trip on the West Coast, is like I know only one more trip and then I can fix it. So for me, that's a relief.
Yeah. Good. A little smoky in here.
Is it?
I think so. What's
I
that?
think so. Okay, let's eat. You're the best.
I love you. I don't want to do this anymore. Why are we moving so much?
Nice calm anchorage.
Who just drove their boat by that fast?
Must have been a big guy.
Hope you all enjoyed that episode. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And a special thank you to our patrons for making these videos possible. It could not be done without you. We hope to see you all here next week.